These are $180 shoes. This is not sponsored. Nike did not send it.
Oh, they're like bouncy balls. Welcome back to What's Inside. I'm Lincoln and this is Dan, and today we have these awesome brand new Nike Joyride shoes.
These are the latest innovation in the race to create the most comfortable running shoe or just walking shoe. You've seen Adidas Boost that came out, I don't know, maybe like 5-6 years ago when we did the Yeezys. They are crazy comfortable. We've purchased so many pairs. And we've also tried the Nike Epic React. Is that what they're called? The Epic React shoes?
Yeah,
and those ones are pretty good too. They're pretty soft, but supposedly these are 35% softer or cushier.
35%?
Then, yeah, 35%. A whole Kevin Durant softer than the Epic React.
Oh my, I get it. It took me a minute.
Yeah, it's okay. Sometimes there's been shoes in the past that have come out that were like, you know what, maybe we don't cut them open because what's really inside of it? Is it really that interesting? Self-lacing shoes?
Whoa.
How's it feel?
Awesome.
Those are pretty cool. Yeezys, let's look at the inside of these guys. Those are pretty cool because they're pretty high end. These ones are 100% shoes that we should be cutting open because apparently there are thousands of little Dippin' Dots like rubbery bouncy balls inside of the sole of these shoes.
All the way up here, there's a bunch of balls inside of them. It looks really cool. I love the orange on the bottom and this little part right here. And just like when you're walking around, you can see the little beads inside, which is so cool.
So what did people say at school when you wore these to school? Did anybody notice that they're Joyrides?
Oh yeah, a lot of people noticed them. They're like, what are those shoes? I've never seen them before. Those are really cool. Like people thought they're cool.
Okay, well that's good. We got both of these pairs about a month ago. These ones we haven't messed with, but Lincoln has been wearing these ones.
Yeah, you can see the difference.
Let's see. Do you see the difference in that? 1 month of wearing them, and they're pretty dirty.
Yeah.
They look pretty messed up.
When I first put them on, it's kind of weird because you can feel the balls inside of it, but it's really comfortable. Like one of my favorite shoes.
That's kind of what I felt like too. It feels a little strange because it really is pouches and you're walking on them and they move almost every time that you walk. And that was probably my concern with this. You kind of think of it as like, I don't know, a beanbag. If you sit on it in the same place over and over again, it's just gonna have that little spot right there. Nike says that that doesn't happen. So anyway, enough talking about these. I wanna cut these things open, see how many beads are in these. I was thinking we cut open one shoe, we put them inside of this, and we literally like one by one count and see how many beads are inside.
What if there
of
was
here.
like 1,000? Do we have to count?
There's more than 1,000, I bet. Every single one.
One by one, all of these.
All of them in one shoe.
There are so many inside of it. There's no way.
All right, Nike Joyrides. We're going to cut you open. These are $180 shoes, and these ones have never been worn. They are nice on that side, but some things have to happen for science.
Whoa, they're like bouncy balls.
Oh my gosh, they're bouncing everywhere. Okay, we gotta count them all. They really did put like little squishy toys into little tiny pieces and put them down in here.
They're not styrofoam, but they're kind of like styrofoam.
It's just like a squishy toy.
They're just
It
a
really
squishy.
is.
Like you can compress it all the way, and then it pops right back up. Squish it.
Squish it. Doesn't it feel like a squishy toy?
Feels more like a stress ball.
Oh, like a stress ball. She's an expert when it comes to squishies, so that's better. A stress ball. There's so many in this. And on the bottom you can see now that it's out, it's just like soft. It's hard to get that open because you can see the little pillar system. It's connected pretty tightly. Let's cut that a little bit more. Yeah, the little pillars are made out of foam also.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
So no wonder it's
they're
so
just like
squishy.
they're like the same material as the balls.
Which is the same material as this green part right here. That's really creative to make the material really soft, but then also make the rest of the shoe out of that same material. Look at that. There's the inside of the system. Okay, we're getting closer. I'm not a good surgeon, but we're getting closer. There we go. So that's that top part. And you can see, oh, the middle pocket. Okay, there's one. We got to separate these. Get me another cup, Lincoln. It looks like there are 4 pockets inside of this, of the balls. One in the very far toe part. One in like, what do you call that part of your foot? I don't know. And then there's one right here that's in like the mid section of your foot, and then one on the heel. So 4 sections, boom, boom, boom. And they're bulging with these stress balls. After hundreds of miles of people running, how do they not turn into like a beanbag and get way out of shape and like get stuck in one position? Or does water affect these things? I don't know, I'm sure Nike tested it, but there's a lot of potential tests you could do with this. 4 different pouches. We are going to get these in here. There's nothing else on the table, no other beads. Fall out, little guys. I mean, fall out.
Whoa! There's so many more in there.
There's the ball of your foot. Whoa.
What? There's so many. Do we have to count every one of these?
Nobody's ever counted these before on YouTube. When you cut up, oh, we lost one.
We lost one.
Find it. There's one that just flew past.
It's blue.
I found it. I found it. I found it. We saved it. Okay, the last one, the heel, which we've already seen has a lot. Still some in the bottom. There's like still some right in the bottom. So this is what it looks like when it's all cut open. There's the different sections. 1, 2, 3. The third one is big. It's all underneath this really squishy area. And then the 4th section is actually the biggest of all of them that goes all the way down to the bottom. This is the Nike Joyride. Pretty comfortable shoes, pretty unique idea. And
I really like them.
how many balls are inside of here?
No.
We are gonna count them.
No.
I made the decision. I am going to count every single one of these, and I'm gonna count it on a long video so you can see exactly how many there are. No cheating, no taking them out. It's gonna be exactly how many are in here. But I want you guys to guess, how many do you think there's going to be? And then after 4 days, whoever gets it right or gets it closest to the actual number, we will contact you and send you a brand new pair of these. You only get one guess. If I look and you commented like 5 or 6 different times or even 2 times,
You're disqualified.
disqualified. You get
You're
one
out.
chance, put it on there, no editing. How many do you think is in here? You saw Lincoln playing with it. Get ready
My
for
guess-
the video.
wait.
No,
Okay.
no, you can't sway them. You can't sway them. They just need to decide based off of this.
Okay.
Say it and we'll bleep it out and I'll put it in the next video. Okay, there's our guesses. Thanks for watching. If you want a pair, guess the size. That's it. Goodbye.
These shoes are really cool. And those are really cool too.
Those other ones in?
No.
Can I have them
Yes.
for my son?
Yes.
No, because I have a
Plastic bag.
You have